Hello and welcome to my new series on Excel-based dashboards. This video will teach you how to make Excel-based dashboards in less than 10 minutes. You can improve your data analysis skills and how you interpret your data, and you can also impress your peers and your bosses. Right, so if you have some data with you, I do have some random data. I do have order dates, a year, region, representatives, items, units, unit cost, and total sales, total cost. Now, if I have a small data, but even if you have a huge one, it doesn't matter. If you have this data arranged in this particular way, what you can do, you can simply select the whole data that you have, and then go to insert and insert a pivot chart. This will the range that you have selected will be selected over here, and it will give you a new pivot chart. Now let's make our first pivot chart, and for the first one, I'll put year in the x-axis, and then we have order count of order dates, right, which basically means that you will have the total sales year wise. If we remove the total, give it a title, and the title can be year wise sales, right? Just hide these buttons, and also in the design, select design that you like. Right, so our first graph, or you can say the first pivot chart is ready. Now to the next one. Now the data is selected. Again, we have to go to insert pivot chart. Now the next pivot chart, and for the next one we will have a region, and again we will have total sales. Again, I'm putting some data labels so that we can understand the data and the numbers, and we need to remove the buttons. In design, select a design that you like, and let's add another graph. All right, for the last one we'll have representatives, and the let's have total sales value. Okay, so let's put the title as um, total sales by reps. Remove these buttons and then apply a design. Right, now we have three charts for now, and what I will do, I will create a new sheet, and let's name it as top sheet. All right, and also we'll have some color to the whole sheet just to make it more attractive. Now select your first graph, put it on this top sheet, the other one again on the top sheet, and also we'll have our third one on to the top sheet. All right, now let's make it more readable. I also have to add data labels. Right, so for now I have only three tables, um, three graphs I would say. You can have as many as you want. What I'll do, I'll just select one table, and in the Analyze tab I can insert a slicer. Now if I insert, for example, first slicer for the year, and also I want another for representatives, and another one for maybe item. Okay, we'll just use two for now. Let's put our slicers over here. And let's add one more slicer, select the graph and add timeline as well, right? Since we have dates. So, all right, now the each slicer is connected to only one graph at the moment. So what we have to do, we have to go to the options and make sure that these slicers are connected with the other graphs as well. Similarly, report connections. I have created connection with all the three graphs that I have right now. Right. Now, how this dashboard will work. Right. For instance, if we look at our graph one, which is this one year by sales, this is explaining you that in each year, in 2018, total number of sales were 22. In 2019, total sales were 21. If we want to see as a region-wise sales, then we can see that in Central there were 24, 13 in the East, and 6 in the West. Similarly, these are the total US dollars that each representative has earned, or you can say sold items for, and these are the amounts by representatives. For example, if I click on the year one, which is 2018, I think my slicer is not working. No, it is. All right. So in 2018, the total sales were 22. In the central region, sales were 10. In the east, there were 10, and in the west, two sales were made, and this is the total sales by each representative. Also, if I want to see if I need to clear it, I just have to press this one. It will clear my filter. If I want to see what Andrews has done, he has made one sale in 2018, three sales in 2019. Total sales were four in the central region, and the total amount that he made was 438. The total items that he sold for. So similarly, if I wish to see what Jones has done in 2019, so I can see he made two sales in East, and the total amount, the total value was 329 of the sales that he made. Also, what we can do, we can combine these two, and we can combine as many as you wish. Now, this is the time slicer. Now, it explains that in August 2019, total sales were made, two sales were made, one in the central region and one in the west. And we do have two representatives who made this particular amount of sales in that particular month. You can have it for more than one, or for the whole duration, or for selected months. If you have data in the number format, in the date format, I would say. Right, so you can combine all these and you can have your data analyzed in but 360-degree analysis. You can have it, and you can see what Jill did in 2019. Say in August there wasn't any sale, right? So in September, Jill made a sale of $9. It was one sale and it was in the central region, right? This is just an example. We can add other slices as well. You can add other graphs. It'll help you to analyze your data in a very dynamic and a very creative way. Also, what you can do, you can select your slicer, you can put some more colors, and you can have you have more space over here. You can simply do one more thing, that in view, just remove the headings and the grid lines. Right now, it'll give you more space that you can work with, and on one sheet you can have all the data and you can analyze it in a very different way. I think that's all for today. I would like to thank all of you who viewed all my previous videos and liked them. I would strongly uh, suggest you that you subscribe to this channel. I will have more such videos coming up soon. I will probably have a series on the dashboards, and probably I'll even take it to another dimension, I'll talk about the Power BI based dashboards as well in my next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.